Hey everyone, welcome to this home tour. I'm in a Ruby on Possehl in the village of DeLuna. It's 2 bed, 2 bath. Check it out. Todd is here taking photos. This is listed for $318,900 and you've got some privacy here. I'm gonna switch this around here if you can see that. That's on the side yard and I believe there's room for a pool out here. So think about that. If you're looking to buy or sell a home, you call me. I'm your girl. And don't forget, if you're looking to come down and you want a home shop, you can use my rental as your lifestyle experience. I have a 2 bed, 2 bath Opal model in the village of McClure that is available to rent. Wait till he finds out he's in the video. It's a 2 bed, 2 bath patio villa in the village of McClure. So you want to give me a call. I'm going to pass that information often through the video. All right, but first we got to get this one sold. Anybody have a buyer out there? Give me a call. All right, let's go take a look. All right, I'm just stepping inside and you know, there's so many different ways for you to decorate a home. This is a Ruby. So I have a Ruby, but mine's set up a little bit differently. This is DeLuna. I'm over in DeSoto. So my home's a couple years older. And you probably don't see it all the time, but you'll sometimes if I do a recording, I have a desk up against that wall. But you can see how much space you actually do have for a table. This seats 6 now, so you can use this for family dinners. You're gonna have guests over, you're to puzzles, games, you need workspace. You do have it here. And why I tell people don't get hung up on a model name, because again, this is a Ruby, but I wanna show you just from the couple of years that my home was built and this one, my window there is shorter. So I have a table underneath it. So just when you're looking at models, remember you have to check out everything because the developer does change them from time to time. So you want to make sure that you're not shortchanging yourself by picking out something that you would have liked because you thought you didn't like it, if that makes sense. All right. So this has a U-shaped kitchen and an interior laundry. And this is roll vinyl and carpet in the bedrooms. I have 2 pantries on either side of the refrigerator, a lot of counter space. Now what I've done, a cabinet space I should say, and counter. What I've done in my home is, of course, I remodeled it and I have a hood, no microwave, but I put an island, this little unit that I had in the center. Just, you know, when I'm putting things away, I have a place to lay it down. When I'm putting groceries into the refrigerator and freezer, I had a place to put it down. So, you know, that's a thought, something that you can do if you need a little bit, if you want extra space or, you know, maybe a butcher block, chopping block, white cabinets. And for Micah, they call this high performance. I think it's kind of funny. Of course, got gas range. And open space. So you can see from the kitchen into the living room and into the dining room. And what's nice about this unit, I will say the turnpike is right behind the home. But as a trade-off, you have a large side yard. I believe they have room for a pool here. But you have this beautiful nature space right on the side of the house. So it's something pretty to look at, trade-off. And, you know, I've said this before, having been here for a while now, some of the homes are so close in the backyard that the road is probably a better option than people. All right. So now I have my living room laid out a little bit differently, but you can see, you know, different options. Again, you could have maybe just a sofa and a love seat along the wall where the window is, put a chair there, a chair here. So you have options. And of course, if you wanted to put bar stools here, you could do that. All right, so, sorry. I'll get into storage closet. And what's different, like with mine, again, because I'm trying to educate you on how not to get really stuck on a specific model name. This is a door. Mine has an accordion, you know, pull, you know, whatever, accordion door. So it's just a little bit different. This one has a big, large vanity. This one is the same as the older style. And these are inserts here for the tub. That's the only thing I didn't change in my house. Now, this is the second bedroom, guest room. She's using it as a craft room. This homeowner is a quilter, and I don't know, she looks like she does a pretty good job. Some of the stuff, I think she actually made these. Aren't they beautiful? I don't have the patience for that. God love her. Really pretty. But so she's done a really great job of utilizing this space because quilting is her passion. So she has a lot of room here. So and that's a Murphy bed. And carpet's in good shape because the home is new. And then this is the primary bedroom. Again, all high ceilings, south of 44. All the information about the home will be in the notes. I'll pass through on the bottom of all the information you need to know. The bond, CDD. This is Sumter County, but we are in Wildwood. All right, now this is the primary bathroom. So again, I'm just gonna keep hammering away at models and names. This is a Ruby. My Ruby doesn't look like this. I have a single sink. My shower is where the toilet is. My toilet is next to the shower. And then I have a closet here, but my closet is square. So this is more of a galley bathroom where mine is different. And I just want to reiterate, because they changed the models, please do not get hung up on the name, because you really want to find one. I'll step back a little bit. That fits. So anything in your price range and location, I would encourage you that if a model name is written in there, you take the time to look at the photos and see if it works for you. This is an insert shower. And then we have a large closet. And I say this in all the videos, you have some organization in here. You'll pick up a tremendous amount of space because the ceiling is really high in this bedroom. And this is a king bed, and they got a lot of furniture in here, and it fits comfortably. So you got a king bed, 2 dressers, and a dresser. Now, in mine, I have, my bed is on this wall, on this back wall, to make for me, I'm one person, and I put the bed on this wall so my room looked larger. But you have different configurations available to you. You just get creative when you move into the space. Okay. Now, I gotta go back and get my phone. All right. All right, Todd's out there taking some photos. Walk around outside for you. Outdoor table. So this is the end of the road. So you are on the end lot. Yep, there they are. And you see all this green space that you have here. And this nice big side yard. This would be, you know, if you have a pet, they've got to run. Again, if you were interested in something like this and wanted to put in a pool, I would have to make some calls to make sure what would fit in this space, but you've got a lot of yard. And again, it's a trade-off, but that may seem to go away. And they do have gutters. Whole home gutters are about $800 on a house like this. So it's a pretty color. It's yellow with blue. There we go. That's the garage. As the door's going down, the owner's shy. And this is the neighborhood, right? I'm going to say a quarter of a mile, like a 3-minute cart ride. The pool and the mail center and pickleball courts are there. We're probably about a mile from Water Lily Bridge. And there you have it. 3441 Possehl in the village of DeLuna. 2-bed, 2-bath, Ruby model, $318,900. It could be yours. I hope you enjoyed this home tour. I am in my favorite part of a home, the kitchen. If you would like to schedule a private showing, you can call me, text me, email me for any information about any home here in the Villages or Central Florida. I'm Robyn Cavallaro. Again, thank you for joining me on this home tour. Next time, I'll see you.